Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Pratham, and in today's video we are going to see how to install Jenkins and set up the basic requirement what are required for Jenkins. So for that there is some pre-requirement what we need. So first one is we need Open JDK to be installed, and then we need to install Jenkins MSI. So these are the main requirements for today's thing. So let's begin. So for that first thing we are going to install the Open JDK. So first just paste this winget installed --id is equal to eclipse adoptm dot tamarin.21.jdk-e. Just give this command as in your command prompt and just click enter. So it will take some milliseconds to finish the download. So once it is done you can just check. So in my case I have already installed the package, so it is showing and found an existing package, but in your case this should work. And once you are done with this you can just type java version, then it will show the version with this thing, hotspot thing, java hotspot. Then you have to type java c version, and this should also show the version of java. Once it is done, just come to search and add it in your environment variables. You have something called environment variables. So open this and click on environment variables, come to system variables path, click on edit. So here you can see the path I have added: C programs files eclipse adoptm jdk21 and hotspot till bin. I have added till /hotspot/bin. So make sure you also add the same, and also you have to add it in your this java home. Yeah, this is the java home. So if I click on edit, you can see here I have not added with the bin. I have added till hotspot and slash. I have included the slash. Make sure you also add the same. So yeah, it will usually once you use this command prompt with C drive, if you install with this C, I think almost it will be added automatically. If it is not, I am telling you what are the steps to add. So once you are done with this thing, just check your java commands and it will proceed. So once you are done with that, just come to Google. So in your Google, just type jenkins.io/download and you will come to this page. So this is the link, official link for downloading the Jenkins. So once you are done with that, you have to just click on somewhere download, something called as download, and you will come to this download page, jenkins.io/download. So here you have this Windows MSI. Just click on this Windows and you can see within a second your Jenkins MSI file will start to download. So in my case I have already downloaded it, so but I am showing you the procedure what to be done. Just double click on this MSI and it will show you preparing for installation. Just click on next. Send here and all, here there is no need to do anything, just click on next. So in my case I already have an existing, so I'm going to remove this for teaching for your class. So I'll just remove this and then I'll proceed with the installation. Just let it will take a bit seconds, so just wait. So yes, this is done. So now I'll reopen this jenkins.msi. I'll click on next. So it is automatically selecting a folder. I'll keep it as it is. Then here I'm going to select run service as local system and I'll click next, and here I'm going to test the port. Yes, it is working fine. Then it is automatically selecting my hotspot location where it is in program files. So if you want to change, if you have selected some other location, please select the path correctly for this, for JDK environment. And then once it is done, I am going to give next and I am going to install. So this is the basic step what we have to do. So give yes for Jenkins automation. So let it finish. So once it is done, I think we can access our page. So let's check how we do that. So it is done. So in your thing, just go to your incognito mode. Here just type https:// It's not HTTPS, it's HTTP // localhost 8080. Just type this. So let's check if our Jenkins page is up and can we access that. Yes, our Jenkins page is getting ready for work, so it will take some bit amount of seconds, so we have to wait until it's done. Yes, let's wait for the Jenkins job to get ready. Yes, it is done and it is giving you a path for the administration location. Just open your file system and then here in the files just open this in the notepad just once. So once you get this, you get a initial password. Just copy this, come back to your Jenkins page, paste it and click on continue. So once this is done, you have something called, you will get two options: install suggested plugins and install select the plugins to install. So I am going with install suggested plugins. So this will take some few seconds to install. So here you have to create the name, username, just I am giving Pratham. So password you can choose anything, so I am going with and full name you can give and email as per your wish. You can just select this or you can even skip and continue, as there is also option skip and continue as admin. So I've just shown you, you can create this or you have one more option, skip and continue as admin, and then this shows the URL. Just save and finish. Then you have something called start using Jenkins. Click on this. So this is the thing. Username is admin and administration password you use to access the setup wizard. So username would be admin to login and password would be this where we access this, the initial password. So it is saying that, and let's continue. So here is our Jenkins page. So where our Jenkins page is accessible and we can create the job. So how to create the job? We need to install some plugins. So here we can just click on this create job and here we can select the freestyle project and you can enter here hello first Jenkins project, first Jenkins job, and click OK. So in the description if you have anything you can just type that, and then if you have a git source code you can add it, and build steps something if you have you can add it, and you can click on save. So in my case nothing is there, so I'm just creating a job and I've done my changes. So now I'll go to my build now. So build is scheduled, you can see build is scheduled and for today. So since nothing is there, the build will easily pass. You can see build is already passed, so it is success. So if I go to build now, okay, it's already here, and I'll go to my Jenkins main page. So here you can see the first job is created and it is success without having any failure, and everything is shown. So if you run again, you can just check again, it will, the build is scheduled and you can see it starts the build here, and once it is done it is success. You can even refresh the page, you can see how last duration how much and how much seconds it took for the success and how many attempts. So you can see this, and if there is any error you can just check in the output, console output. So this is what we had to see in today's video and we have completed it, and again we'll meet in our next video. Thank you.